What is the devotional service actually? Devotional service means to put Krishna in the center. So whatever you are doing, just do it with Krishna in the center. Like how would a king like Ambarish Maharaj think of Krishna at the same time execute his royal responsibilities? How will he do that? That he would see that the citizens that came to complain to him are Krishna's children. So he is not directly thinking of Krishna. This is indirectly thinking of Krishna. Krishna's children has come to complain to me. I am a representative of Krishna. What should I do? Now are you thinking about Krishna? Like Arjun, another classic example is Arjun fighting the battle. In the middle of the battlefield, he is Krishna conscious. How? He was fortunate that Krishna is his charioteer. So right in front of him, Krishna was there. So every single action was naturally centered around Krishna or in relation to Krishna. But often we are not that fortunate to be that Krishna conscious. But then again, it is not that difficult also, because with Arjun, Krishna was there, driving his chariot, standing right in front of him. And with us, Krishna is there in our hearts. And he is driving the chariot. I mean, we can give him the rein of the chariot of the body. That, oh my dear super soul, please take the rein and drive this chariot, the chariot of the body.